Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hello, Super Thinkers! I'm Big Brain, and welcome to episode 42. Today we've got art you can wear, underwater gardens that need helpful humans, and a giant online treasure chest of songs. If you're new to the news, we'll learn it together. Whoa! Did you know some clothes aren't just for wearing? They're for learning, like a science experiment, but with sparkles. The Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York shared new details about its big spring fashion show called Costume Art, connected to the famous Met Gala on May 4th, 2026. This show is about how clothes can protect us, help us move, and show who we are. Here's the cool part. This exhibition looks at the dressed body, which means how humans across time have covered, decorated, and protected their bodies. Kind of like how different phone cases protect and decorate phones. The show opens May 10th, 2026, and it's planned to run until January 10th, 2027. Instead of only showing fancy dresses, the museum thinks about shapes and ideas, how fabric can look like armor, or like a sculpture, or like a painting you can walk around in. The exhibit is organized in sections with kid-friendly themes like how clothes protect us, funny shapes and silhouettes, clothes for celebrations, and special clothing for different life stages, like babies and grown-ups. So next time you put on a hoodie or a jacket, imagine you're choosing your own tiny piece of costume art, because clothes can tell a story about weather, culture, imagination, and you.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Okay, ocean explorers, have you ever seen a coral reef? It's like an underwater city where fish zoom around like colorful taxis. Noah explained how scientists and helpers are restoring coral reefs using new and creative methods. First, imagine a reef getting covered by fast-growing algae, like weeds taking over a garden. One way to help is algae removal. Another clever way is bringing back natural reef cleanup crews, like native sea urchins that munch algae like tiny vacuum cleaners with spines. Then comes the super careful part, growing coral. Coral animals are small, but reefs can become huge structures over time, like a living apartment building. Noah and partners can grow corals and then plant them on reefs to help damaged areas recover. They're also working on growing and planting hardy corals with many different kinds of coral, like planting lots of different seeds, so the reef has a better chance to handle tough weather. Why does this matter? Coral reefs help many people and animals. They can support food, jobs, and coastal protection, and they're home to tons of sea creatures. So restoring reefs is like fixing up a neighborhood so everyone can live there again. Fish, crabs, and curious snorkelers too.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your daily scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Have you ever heard a song and suddenly, zap, you remember a birthday, a road trip, or someone singing in the kitchen? Minnesota just helped launch a statewide online music archive to protect music memories like that. The Minnesota Historical Society helped launch the Minnesota Music Archive, a digital place where recordings and stories can be collected and shared online. It was introduced at an event on April 2nd, 2026. And it isn't just one type of music. Minnesota has lots of genres and communities, and this project aims to keep space for all of them. Think of it like a gigantic virtual library, but instead of only books, it can hold songs, interviews, posters, photos, and how this song got made stories. That matters because music isn't only sound, it's history. It can tell you what people celebrated, what dances were popular, what instruments were around, and what languages families sang in. Also, Digital archives help protect music when old recordings might get lost, scratched, or forgotten in a dusty box. By saving them online, more people, students, families, and future musicians can learn from the past and make brand new sounds for the future. Today we learned that clothes can be museum art, coral reefs can be carefully rebuilt like underwater gardens, and songs can live in a giant online memory box. That's a lot of brain fuel for one day. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!